How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to remove someone from your contacts directly through the WhatsApp app on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the new chat icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll through your contacts list and find the contact you want to delete. At this point, tap and hold on the contact's name to select it. In the next step, tap on View Contact to open their full contact details. Following this, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open the Options menu. Once done, tap on Delete Contact from the list. From here, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this contact. At this stage, tap on Delete to confirm your decision. Finally, the contact will be permanently removed from both your WhatsApp and your phone's contact list. Keep in mind that deleting a contact does not delete your chat history with them. The conversation will still remain in your chat list even after the contact has been removed. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you remove a contact from your device, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.